Online assessments made easy.
Smart answers demand smart questions. If you want to use a question set to help your people or your clients to understand where they are and what they need to improve, we have the solution. AQL Online is a web-based system you can quickly customize to your needs. It incorporates sophisticated analysis and reporting at the individual, group and organisation levels. If you have an existing set of questions and a clear structure, you can incorporate it into AQL in minutes. If you have the idea but are less clear on the questions and structure, we can help tailor a solution to meet your requirements. Whatever the language or area of expertise, AQL Online will work for you. Fully branded, the system becomes an extension of your website. You can choose different assessment presentations, provide attractive and informative reports and analysis, including benchmarking.
Creating an assessment.
Log in as an administrator to your branded system. Select Manage Reviews, then add a new review. Give the review a name and set default values for the maximum, number of answers and the question format. The initial structure of the assessment is created for me. I just need to set the titles and add explanatory text. For this demonstration, I will ignore the advanced options and create only a basic question set. Now I can add the first question. Using the test button, I can check to see how the assessment will look to my clients. You have a simple one question at a time layout with responses appearing vertically.
Deploying the assessment.
In Manage Review, the finished assessment appears in the inactive list. I only wish the client to complete the assessment and get a report, so I will switch off the action planning and analysis options. As this will be a self-assessment, I want email notification when the client has answered all the questions. All done. The final step is to set the assessment to active, and as I want all existing clients to have access to the assessment, set the availability by default option to yes. One final check to see how it will all look to the client. New assessment is now available from my website. As a previously registered client, I already have my username and password. The new leadership style assessment appears on my homepage and I can begin. There is so much more you can do with AQL Online. Find out more by visiting our website. To discuss your requirements in detail, email or call.